automating the most boring part of design, delivering logos. Upload your logo and choose your logo variations type. Sinqlo does the rest. Sinqlo automatically builds your complete logo brand kit starting from your primary logo, logo variations and brand colors. From there, you can personalize every detail before sharing. Add your client's name, define the brand typography, attach external links to assets or font licenses, and include general notes or usage guidelines. View your logo page and choose to share link with copy link, send via email or download a QR code. Also change the status to private or public. Your auto-generated brand kit is ready for download. Sinqlo instantly generates every format your client will ever ask for. Try it for free at sinqlo.com.